Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Hi, meteorologist Bree Sullivan with you here on this summer-like Monday. We are going to feel hot and humid later on today. We're already feeling the winds and it is going to be stormy. We at least have the potential for that tonight. Some of those could be strong to severe. We have a couple chances in the coming days, but tonight's the best chance of seeing something strong, and it is going to be hot and humid for the better part of this week. Taking a look at that hour-by-hour forecast today, we see those temperatures in the 70s this afternoon, getting it towards the 80s by this evening. Notice storm chances start to go up as we get past that dinner hour. They will be conditional, not necessarily, it's not a guarantee that we will see them, but we certainly do have the possibility. One thing we know we will see today is some strong winds. There is a wind advisory up in northwest Iowa until 4 p.m. today. Gusts upwards of 45 miles per hour, although everyone is going to be feeling the winds. Those winds will stay with us this afternoon into the early part of the evening. Then those winds will back down through the overnight hours, and they will pick up a little bit tomorrow, but this is going to be our very windy stretch. So we do have a setup today where we have that warm front's going to push on through. That's going to be the reason, part of the reason we have all that heat and humidity. But then this cold front, this will be the reason that we're going to have the chance to see some storms later on, and everything is on the table if these do fire, including a few tornadoes, damaging winds, and some hail. Now it is conditional. It's not a guarantee that these storms will actually happen. We have a lid on the atmosphere, and if that cold front cannot push through that lid, then these storms won't fire. But there is the potential, so we are a level 2 of 5 today in our north central area. Here's a look at how this plays out. We're going to see that warm front lift on through. This is the warm sector, so we're going to feel very hot and humid as it hangs out. And then at 5 p.m., we're still going to keep our eyes set to the west where these storms are expected to fire. This model puts a line firing around 9 p.m., continuing to track off to the east through the overnight hours. The earlier hours is when we have the greatest threat of that severe potential, and then it kind of wanes after that. This cold front likes Iowa so much it's not going to leave. It's going to hang around tomorrow. If you are north of the front, you are going to have a much pleasanter day. It's not going to be as hot, not as humid, but areas south of the front are certainly going to feel the heat and humidity. It's just going to kind of hover over central Iowa tomorrow. Could spark off some showers, but not expecting really any thunderstorms. Those will hang off to the east. And then that front is going to convert into a warm front, lift through the state. So on Wednesday, everybody is going to be feeling the heat and humidity. The northern part is not going to get a break. Today, we'll see those temperatures into the 80s. Very summer-like forecast, windy, hot, and humid. As we go into tonight, we will see those storms move west to east across the area. 60s for those lows. Our normal low is 48, so certainly above that average mark. Your city-by-city forecast shows those chances of rain just hanging around Tuesday and Wednesday, but tonight is the chance of the severe weather, upper 80s as we head into Wednesday, even a 90 down there in Cedar Rapids. Now that 10-day forecast shows those temperatures hanging around through Thursday. A little bit of relief comes in by Friday. That humidity should break as we head into Saturday.